Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So I got this York safety deposit box lock for Father's Day, and all I have is the security key. So it's actually a 4-lever on the security guard side and a 3 on the owner's side. So I had no idea how I was going to actually pick this. I still don't for this side, but I did find out that on the 3-lever side, so I've got the Southard, what's it called? Hold on, let me get the camera situated because it's gonna be, this can't, I mean, I probably could set it up in the vise. But anyways, I've got the Southard PXS 17 kit. It's the 16 or 17 piece. Anyways, they're a little bit thicker than what I'm used to for other types of locks, right? But they've got this really aggressive deep hook. And I found out by messing around a little bit. See if you guys can see the actual gate. It should be 1, 2, 3. There you go. That was open. Let's do it one more time. So the security gate is open. Sorry. So locked. Right? It's because of the key. Locked and open. Wish that I could just get it. There we go. Lock. Open. All right. And then over here you can see that this piece right here is actually just resting on where the levers are. Then it is really kind of cheating. It's a massive like cutaway basically, right? For a lever lock. There you go. And it's open. Which I think is actually pretty cool. It allows me to, I know that you definitely can't, use this this style. I usually have to push. To actually, basically learn lever locks. There you go. Because you're not using the same stuff that you would in order to pick a lever lock. But anyways, I thought that was pretty cool. That's the York safety deposit 4 and 3 lever lock. All right, guys, I'll catch you later. Nah, can't even do that. I'll catch you later, guys. Bye.